Hey, what is going on guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe button to see more videos just like this. You can also follow me on Twitch, Instagram, and on Twitter, which I will put on the screen. I will also put a link to them in the description below. Alright guys, so in this video I am going to teach you guys how you can change your crosshair in Valorant. And I know the default crosshair for Valorant is a little bit hard to use, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix just that. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the practice range. So let's go do that right now by pressing play, and right here where it says practice, click that and shooting range and enter range. Alright guys, so here we are at the range. As you can see, my crosshair looks like this, and no matter how much I move or even if I shoot, it doesn't change, it doesn't expand or anything like that. And this is what most people try to go for, so I'm going to teach you how to do just this. So press escape, click on crosshair over here, and honestly guys, you guys can just copy all of the settings that I have here. So I'm going to scroll down. You can pause the video and just copy everything over here, everything that you see here. You can just copy everything, but I'm going to quickly go through it as best as I can. So right here, crosshair color, I have it at cyan, but you can change it to whatever color you want. There's a preview over here. So yeah, you can change it to pink, change it to yellow, change it to whatever color you want, but I'm gonna leave it at cyan. So right here we have the outlines. I have it turned off, but if you were to turn it on, you can play around with these. So right here, the outline opacity, you can play around with that. As you can see a little bit of the outline. If I have it turned off, you can't see anything, but if I have it turned on, you can, it's kind of like a shadow, a little kind of like a shadow. And if I have it turned on, you can adjust the thickness to however thick you want it. I obviously don't want to do this, so I like to have it this, and I actually just like to have it turn it off. All right, so the center dot, I don't have a center dot, and I prefer not to have the center dot, but if you want to, you can. As you can see, like there's nothing here, but if I turn it on, you can see a center dot. I like to have that off, but if you were to turn it on, you can set the center dot opacity over here. You can like change it up, and center dot thickness, you can like change it to however thick you want. Again, you know, you can see the preview here. So yeah, you can play around with that if you want, but I like to have it turned off. And fade crosshair with firing error, I don't really know what that does, to be honest, because if I have this turned on and if I turn this on, nothing really changes. Look, if I turn it off, I don't see a difference. So if you guys know what this is, you can comment down below. I don't know what it is, don't really care. I like to have it off though. So yeah, I like to turn this off, the center dot, and show spectated players crosshairs. That means that if you're in the middle of a game and you die and now you're spectating somebody, you can see their crosshair, you can see what their crosshair looks like. You can turn that on or off, but I like to have it on just so I can see what other people's crosshairs look like. And below it, it says disable crosshair. Make sure you turn this off, because if you have it turned on, you won't have a crosshair. Like, you wouldn't even know where anything is. Look, like I don't know where the middle is. So yeah, you make sure that you turn disable crosshair off. All right, so we scroll down a little, and now we're in the inner lines. So show inner lines, I have that turned on, but if you want, you can look here and just play around with it. If you do this, you can like make it longer. I like to have it around like 4. Inner line thickness, you can play around with that as well. As you can see how thick it is right here. And if you want, you can like play like this. I mean, honestly, I wouldn't mind, but I still prefer my crosshair over that. So I like to have it around 2. Inner line offset, it kind of just makes it expand more. So it's gonna look like this. And honestly, I just feel like this makes it hard to aim. So I just like to put it to 2. Movement error. If you have the movement error on, it's gonna like expand as you move. And if you have firing error turned on, it's gonna expand as you shoot. But I like to have both of these off. I accidentally changed this, so let's change it back to, what was it, 2, around 2? Yeah, around 2. So I like to have both of these turned off. That way it just makes it a lot easier. And if we scroll down, we have the outer lines. Honestly, I just like to keep all of these at 0, but if you look here, you can like play around with it and do whatever you want. You can make your crosshair look like this. I don't know why you would want to, but hey, the option is there if you ever do want to. Movement error, firing error. Like I said before, it's the same thing. If you move, you turn it on. If you move, it's gonna expand. If you shoot, it's also gonna expand a little bit. But it's really up to you. I like to turn both of these off, and the outer lines, I just like to keep all of them at 0. So that way my crosshair doesn't move at all, no matter what happens. And I prefer it to be this way. And some people like to make their crosshair into just a dot. I have a friend that likes to do that. So if you want to do that, you can go up, where was it? Center dot. You can turn center dot on, and center dot thickness, you can change it to however thick you want to, maybe 5. And if you scroll down, you can go to the inner lines section and turn the inner lines off. Oh wait, no, not that, sorry. Inner line opacity, you can like make it like basically invisible, so your crosshair is basically just going to be a dot. If you want, you can do this, so you know it's easier to, I think it makes it easier to get headshots with this, but I prefer my crosshair, so let's put it back to the way it was before. Center dot turned off. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, make sure to give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this. You can also follow me on Twitch, Instagram, and on Twitter, which I will put on the screen. I will also put a link in the description below. So that's it for this video guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.